know, Gmail has got some secret hacks that can turn that chaos into control. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to part 3 of our Gmail hack series. With the right tricks, even the busiest inbox can be tamed, making your daily mail a breeze instead of a nightmare. Start by taking control of your messages with multiple inboxes. If you juggle projects, clients, or personal accounts, this feature lets you see everything in a go. You can set up separate panes for different panels so you never miss an important email again. Mistakes happen, and Gmail's undo send feature is your safety net. Accidentally hit send too soon? With just a few settings, you can give yourself up to 30 seconds to rethink, edit, or cancel that message before it goes out. Say bye to embarrassing typos or wrong attachments. Group chats and long email threads can be overwhelming, but muting conversations gives you instant peace of mind. Silence the notifications that don't matter, and now you can focus on the emails that do. Keep your workflow stress-free and efficient. Combine these with the other Gmail power tools like templates, Smart Compose, offline access, desktop notifications, and nested labels, which we've explained in the previous parts, so don't forget to check out those. And we've got a full guide to master your inbox. You'll save time, stay organized, and even look like a productivity wizard to your colleagues. So whether you're a casual user or a pro player already, these hacks make it easy to manage your emails without the constant stress. Say goodbye to email clutter and hello to cleaner, smarter, and faster inbox. But not so fast, because some hacks are still remaining to be unearthed. Tune in to the next video to become a Gmail master. Like this video, comment the hack you already knew, and subscribe to GadInsider. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.